And the last one actually has the biggest impact on performance you will see on After Effects.
2 seconds earlier.
I know you have been there, you come back home to sit down and do some work on After Effects and you can't help but the system is just running slow. So in this video I'm going to show you how I get my After Effects running fast if it's running slow, or if I just want to optimize performance when I'm actually doing a work. After Effects is a very resource hungry application, and for a lot of us that are not using decked out systems, see my system specs right here, we have to optimize the hell out of our After Effects so that we can be able to use the app. So I'm going to be giving you 5 ways that I optimize After Effects personally so I can run faster on my system. Okay, so firstly, let's jump into After Effects. In After Effects, I come over to my Edit tab here, move down to Purge, come to All Memory and Disk Cache. Let's bring it over here. Now, make sure you clear disk cache for all versions. Sometimes this disk cache can go up to as high as 90 something gigabytes, so it's very important you clear it. If not, your system can start lagging and it's not good at all. So the second thing that you want to do is that you want to go to your Edit tab here, scroll down to Preferences, go to Memory and Performance. Now, first of all, make sure this Enable Multi-Frame Rendering is on. It's going to save a bunch of time. Now, we're going to change this RAM reserved for other application. Make sure you carry it to the lowest it can possibly go. This tells After Effects to use as much resources as you can use and just leave a very low amount of resources for other tasks to do. So it's very good. But if you are running something like Cinema 4D, it's preferable you leave something like 3 gig so that Cinema 4 gig still have enough memory to use when working on it. Number 3, what you just need to do is come down to the bottom of this your work area here. You will see this square, this light inside the square, this box. So when you click it and you select Adaptive Resolution, so what it does is that when you scrub through your timeline this way, it makes the playback faster. This video has already been pre-rendered in my RAM already, so it works super well here. But if you have a video that is like very tough for your system to pre-render, this thing is godsend. It's really important. And number 4, if you want to make your After Effects run smoothly, just turn down the render settings by just going to After Effects here, clicking on this and just editing on quarter resolution. Most times I edit on quarter resolution and I export on full resolution. All you just need to do is when you press your Ctrl M, just make sure this is set to best settings and your render resolution here is set to full, not current settings, full, so that you can get the full quality of your renders. And now for the 5th and the most important one that can make your system seem like it's a generation ahead is if you don't have money to like change your system, because sometimes the age of the system might not actually help the system, you can just save a little bit of money and change your system from a HDD if you're using it to an SSD. So I'm talking about hard drives here for people that are not too computer savvy. SSDs are faster and can make your laptop seem like it's a brand new device. If you change your SSD, it's not going to work miracles, but it's actually going to improve performance a lot because SSDs are just faster. So I think that's all for that topic. If you like tutorials like this, please drop a like, share, subscribe. Give me tell me problems that you are going through with After Effects in my comment section, and I will make a video about it. I'll be answering all your messages as I have the time, and I always have time for you guys. So thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much, and I'll catch you in my next video. Until the next video, remember, live, edit, grow, repeat. Bye.